Good morning. Today I'll start our lesson with making new words, page 101 on the pupil's book. And later I'll continue with the reading comprehension, page 98 and 99. Our suffix today is OUS. So the suffix OUS has 3 rules. 1. If the root word doesn't change, just add OUS. If the root word does not change, just add OUS. Danger, dangerous. This is the root word, and we only add OUS to it. If the word ends in E, drop the E and add OUS. Example, fame, yes, famous. So as you see here, we drop the E, and it becomes as famous without the E. If the word ends in Y, change it to an I and add OUS. Example, very, it ends with Y. So we change it to I and we add, as you see here, IOUS. Let's see other examples. Fame, it ends with E, famous. We drop the E. Poison, it is the root word, so we don't add or change anything. Poisonous, we add OUS. Danger, the same. It is the root word, that's why we don't change or add anything, only the suffix OUS. Mountain, the same as danger and the same as poison, we add only OUS. Very, it ends with Y, we drop the Y and we add IUS. Continue, it ends with E, so that we drop the E and we add OUS, the suffix OUS. Let's continue with the examples from our pupil's book, page 101, making new words. Suffix OUS. The suffix OUS can be added to some nouns to make adjectives. So in this lesson, we will add the OUS to make adjectives. So marvel, marvelous. But as you notice here, we duplicate the L in the word marvelous. Fame, it ends with E. We drop the E and we add OUS. Okay, let's see question number 1. What do you think the spelling rule for adding OUS to nouns ending with E is? Write it. So as simple as this, drop the final E before adding OUS. Like fame, famous. Let's see question 2. Add OUS to these nouns. Write the complete adjectives. Nerve, nervous. So again, they said nouns. So the word nerve is a noun. And the word ridicule is a noun too. So we have 2 nouns and we want to change them into adjectives by adding the suffix OUS. Nerve, nervous. And the same here, ridicule, ridiculous. So both of them ends with E, so that when the nouns end with E, we drop the final E before adding the OUS. Let's see some examples. Or exception. Let's see some exception here. Courage, courageous. And gorgeous. So as you see here that the word cottage becomes cottages, but we don't drop the E. This one is an exception. Okay, we don't drop the E here. This one is an exception. Gorgeous, we don't drop the E, and there is no root word for the word gorgeous. So if I ask you, what is the root word for the word gorgeous? There is no root word. Gorgeous has at the end of this word E-O-U-S, and that's it. There is no root for this word. But courageous has a root word which is courage. So again, courage ends with E, but we don't drop the E in this case. It's an exception. And the word gorgeous, it ends with E-O-U-S, but there is no noun for this word. Okay? Let's see question 3. Look at this noun that ends with Y and the adjective. Why the spelling rule? Very furious. Change Y to I, then add I-O-U-S. So again, as we said before we come to this page, we said that the word when the word ends with Y, we drop the Y and add I-O-U-S. Or change Y to I, then add I-O-U-S. Other examples. Let's see 4. Add O-U-S to these words. Check you understand them. Very, various. We drop the Y and add I-O-U-S. Glory, glorious. We drop the Y and add I-O-U-S. Now let's continue with C, spelling. Words ending with ER and RE. Some words in English end with ER, a few words end with RE. The endings sound the same. That means that the ending has the same sound. Did you tell her my teacher has chosen my report on the Center for Biological Sciences? So as you notice here, teacher has ER, center has RE. But in American English, we write center as this. Center, ER. But here, because our books are British, so it ends with RE. So again, some words in English ends with ER and others end with RE. Let's see and read more examples. Read and learn these words. Check you know what they mean. Meter, letter, theater, somber, and fiber. So again, the word theater, you can see theater written as this, T-H-E-A-T-E-R, but this is an American English. But in a British, we write R-E. So again, all of these words are pronounced the same sound. ER and RE have the same sound. Meter, letter, theater, somber, and fiber. But what to do with them? You have to know the spelling of them. Like if I say fiber, if I write F-I-B and you continue, you have to write the letters RE, not ER. Teacher, for example, teacher, it ends with ER. You have to know the spelling of each word. Also the meaning. You have to check the meaning of these words. That's it for today. Have a nice day.